Hi, I'm Diane Sullivan from North Adams, Massachusetts, and I have exciting news to share. I've been accepted at a 4-week ceramic residency program called C.R.E.T.A Rome, which is in Rome, Italy. It gives you studio space, technical support, and I'll have plenty of time to explore this fascinating city. It is a dream come true for me to be able to do this. This residency program provides studio space and technical support for 4 weeks. At the end, there's a group exhibition in C.R.E.T.A's beautiful gallery. I've been in contact with many of the former residents, and they all recommend the residency unconditionally and with fond memories. I visited Rome a few years ago for the first time. The fountains, ancient buildings, churches, and beautiful sculptures captivated me with their beauty. The more I've learned about this city's history, the more I wanted to explore it. I knew I wanted to be part of this artist residency and create work inspired by this beautiful city and the people I will meet. My studio practice has been figurative sculpture, and I've been inspired by sculpture in the galleries, museums, and especially the bas-relief sculptures. They tell of Roman history and myths. I plan to make a series of small relief tiles telling my stories, along with a self-portrait bust. I will carefully balance my studio time with exploration of all Rome has to offer. I'm grateful for the Berkshire Taconic Community Foundation for their generous artist grant. This has enabled me to go to the residency. However, I do need some support for lodging and flights. I have carefully created backer rewards that will reflect my experience in Rome. Thank you for your support.